In front of me is OPPO Reno 14 and today I would like to show you how you can change font size. Changing font size is one of the first things you should do while setting up new device to make it comfortable for your eyesight. To do it on this OPPO, you need to enter Settings and tap on Display and Brightness right away. Now scroll down a tiny bit and when you're ready, tap on Font section. Finally, you can operate this slider under font size to adjust it. Then check out Preview at the top. Remember that to save your changes, you need to tap Apply. So when I do that, as you can see, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!